In this guide, I'm going to show you the best place to farm seeds here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but let's get into this. Now, seeds are pretty common overall. You can find them by just looting around the world, but there is one more location that does give way more seeds than everywhere else, and it's actually going to be on Stella Montis up towards the top. So select that and then hit inspect. Now, you're going to specifically want to go into the seed vault down here. But if you've been there before, you already know there is tons of seeds packed in this area. In general, when you're looking around the map, check for locations with a little leaf symbol similar to what you're seeing on this, because that is going to be a nature zone. Any zone with that icon next to it is going to have a higher chance of dropping seeds. For example, if I do back out and go to Buried City, right, and hit inspect, you're going to see a lot of these areas do have those little nature symbols, especially if I zoom in. So you can grab extra seeds in this section as well, but overall, the seed vault is definitely the most efficient farming area. They are still easy to find anywhere just by looting containers, but if you want a bunch fast, stick to those nature marked areas or the seed vault. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.